Salut tout le monde! Hello everyone! In this tutorial we are going to take a look at the partitive in French. So in English we say some. For example, some bread, du pain, some pie, de la tarte, some water, de l'eau, and some eggs, des œufs. So students have been asking how you know when to use du, de la, de l'apostrophe, and des. And this all goes back to the gender of nouns. Again, all nouns in French are either masculine, for example, le pain, or feminine, la tarte. And if you don't know the gender of the noun, look up the French noun in a French dictionary, M for masculine and F for feminine. To form the partitive, you use de and then the noun. For example, for the masculine form, we have de, and then you have your noun, which is le pain. But you can never say de le pain. You have to change de and le to du. So, de and le pain is du pain. Je veux du pain. I want some bread. For the feminine form, for example, la tarte, you have to use the word de, and then you have la tarte, and this is okay, so you can keep these together. Je veux de la tarte. I want some pie. And then you have l'apostrophe, which goes before a word that begins with the vowel sound. So again, you use de, and then l'eau, which is also okay. You say, je veux de l'eau. I want some water. And then lastly, you have plural. For example, les œufs, eggs. You use de, and then for this, you also cannot say de les œufs. You have to change de and les to des, and that's je veux des œufs. I want some eggs. I hope this helps.